Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can filter your search results on Google search by specific language or region in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to Google search. You can access it via your Google account by clicking into these 9 dots in the top right, Google Apps, search Google search, or click into Google search, sorry. And then you'll be redirected to that search panel here. What you want to do next is, before you enter your search term here, you want to apply some regional or language filters. So to do that, click into settings in the bottom right and choose advanced search. Here guys, what you want to do is enter the search term you would like to look for here, all of these words, for example, like you do on the start page of Google search. But before you apply the search by clicking into this button, you may narrow down your search by a specific language or region. So let me go, for example, with language Arabic, region, let's say, I don't know, Algeria, and then enter your search term here. Like, I don't know, what's the capital of Algeria? Alger, I think. And then click into advanced search at the bottom, and then you will be redirected to these search entries here, filtered by language and region. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.